You are alive right now. But are you truly here? Most people live every day trapped in a place that doesn't exist, the past or the future. We carry the weight of yesterday and the fear of tomorrow, forgetting the only place life actually happens, the present moment. But here's the truth: life is not a memory or a plan. It's this breath, this heartbeat, this very second. Presence is not a skill to learn. It is your natural state when the noise stops. When you stop labeling, judging, chasing, and just become aware of being. Children live it. Artists feel it. Nature breathes it. Presence is silence between thoughts. Stillness between breaths. And it is always available now. Try this now. Feel your breath move in and out. Listen to the sounds around you. Notice you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness watching them. Power of presence isn't in doing more. It's in needing less. Because when you're truly present, everything you were searching for, peace, joy, clarity, was already there.